So today Apple launches the AirPods Generation 3, and yes, it confirms many of the rumors about its design and features which I talked about in this video. But today I want to give you my first impressions about it and why you probably shouldn't order the AirPods 3s yet. The AirPods 3 looks a lot like the Pro model and it costs $179 US. That's like $60 less than the AirPods Pro. Nonetheless, you'll still be getting the full AirPods experience, and that includes spatial audio, force touch sensors, IPX4 water resistance, adaptive EQ, which automatically tweaks the sound of the AirPods to compensate for environmental noise, so you're not going to lose any bass or detail in your music, one-touch setup, and of course, wireless charging. What's new here is that it now supports MagSafe charging, and it's got longer battery life of up to 6 hours in the earbuds with a total of 30 hours with its charging case. The previous generation AirPods, Generation 2, only had about 4.5 hours in the buds with a total of 24 hours with case, so that is a pretty significant improvement. But if we compare this to the AirPods Pro, it doesn't have noise isolating ear tips or noise cancellation. Now, I'm cool with the fact that these are not noise cancelling, but no silicone ear tips? This could bring a few potential problems. It's no secret on this channel that I've had a problem with the AirPods Pro's fit. They just wouldn't stay in my ears. And now, without silicone ear tips, I think the AirPods 3 will have even poorer fit compared to the AirPods Pro. And this makes it more likely that they're gonna fall out of my ears when I'm working out, or even when I'm doing something as simple as bending down to pick up something. So yeah, I'm not too sure about its fit, but I'm even less sure about how loud these earbuds are gonna be. Since it doesn't have active noise cancellation or noise isolation, if you're listening to music in noisy places, you might have to max out the volume when usually 50 to 60% volume will do. That was the case with Generation 2. I suspect that it might be the same thing with Generation 3. So, in a nutshell, this is why I will not recommend ordering the AirPods 3 first before the proper reviews come in. I mean, it's $179. That's a lot of money, and at that price, there are so many others that you can consider which may do the basic things better, such as offering a tighter fit, noise isolation, even active noise cancellation. Most of them even have an app which gives you more flexibility and cross-platform support across iOS and Android. Nonetheless, I might be getting a pair of these to review, so if you want to see my take on the AirPods 3, along with all those tests and comparisons that I usually do, please subscribe and ring the notifications bell to stay notified of new content from this channel. Also, please like and share if you like this video, and a big shout out to my patrons on this list who supports this channel on Patreon, and I'll see you again, bros and sisters, in the next video.